What's up, everybody? We are here today with the brand new Talaria Sting MX4. We're gonna unbox this thing and build it up. Alright, first little glimpse at this thing. We went with the factory edition this time. Last time we did not have the factory, so I'm excited to try out the new suspension on this one. Put it through the test, see what we can do. Front wheel. Put that on in a minute. Awesome looking brakes. Bigger brakes on the new bike. I want to give a big shout out to Ebikezilla for sending the bike over. And if you're interested in this bike, you can use promo code Kyle2023 on their site and you'll get a bit of a discount on a purchase of a new Talaria. Sick new Talaria Sting logo on the bike, looks awesome. Alright, we can almost get these handlebars on. It comes with a higher rise bar than the old bike, and I'm also going to put a bar riser on it. Just not tonight. Also, the cables are different. New logo on the brakes too, that looks good. Definitely some improvements with this model. I'm really liking it. Bike also comes with a disc brake guard now as well, which is awesome. My old bike didn't have that. Some CST tires. That's also an upgrade. Comes with a foot peg brace again still. The factory edition shock on this one. Looks awesome. Really clean. Alright, we've upgraded from the Home Depot bucket to the stump this time. Sits on that a little nicer. The wheel spacers have grease in them now. Just toss them in, both sides. Pull out the brake guard, save those for when you're working on your bike. They're always good to have. Line everything up and install the front wheel. Alright, front wheel went in nice and smooth this time. Get your cap. All the Allen keys are provided for the bike build, which is awesome. Snug that up. There's the right Allen key. Snug these four up. These are in a way better location than the Fast Ace fork. I believe they're underneath, they're hard to get to, so these are a good spot. Nice big disc up front as well. 220. The starter, and it looks like the brake switch. Simple plug and play. So that's a little different from the old model, but super simple. Let's check out the battery, plug it in. Let's see what we got for if we have any juice or not. Alright. And there's a breaker in here as well, which is off. Turn that on. And alright. Plug her in. Turn her on. It looks like we got 74% battery right out of the box, which is awesome. So we'll be able to take this thing for a quick little ride tonight. And then we're gonna put some aftermarket parts on it. And I also have a sweet ECD wrap. I'm super excited to show everybody that as well. All right, before you ride, you're gonna wanna open up the breather tube for the gearbox. You don't want that pinched off while you're breaking in your nice new bike. All right, it's open, it's pretty simple. I like to move it off of the grooved in spot just so the tube can open up again. Okay, I got this thing pretty much all dialed in, just rolling the bar a little. Took maybe 45 minutes to build, so super quick, super easy, straightforward. I'm gonna change a couple parts out later, but stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, follow along, and watch the bike grow. So it was getting dark at the property where I was building the bike. I brought it back. We have the ECD wrap that we have. I haven't opened the box or anything. And we're gonna put that on the bike, see how it looks. Probably change out the foot pegs and do a quick once over it. These are the stock foot pegs. Not very good. Rounded, not a lot of grip. And I got some aftermarket ones. They look super good. They're wider. They'll just feel a lot better if you're wearing skateboard shoes or dirt bike boots. ECD was super quick, super helpful with creating this wrap. I haven't seen it, so let's see if we can unroll or. Oh yeah, that looks sick. It's gonna roll back open, but I am stoked to get that on the bike. Thanks again, guys. All right, big thanks to Ebikezilla for helping out with this bike again. ECD Wraps killed it with this thing. Check out the channel, 2 Wheel Kyle on YouTube. We're halfway done the wrap and it looks sick. Went with the flat finish and I think it looks awesome. Got this thing wrapped. The only thing I need to do is install the new fender, which I have, and the graphics are on it. And I just got to drill a few holes and I can install that, and then the wrap's done.